Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Silverado High Country. For the rest of the month of August, all Apple Chevrolet customers will receive over $6,400 in savings on this specific vehicle. This four-wheel drive crew cab short box comes with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, your back tinted windows, and 20 by 9-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose premium audio system, our all-weather flooring mats, black leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. We do have a sunroof as well. When it comes to the front of the vehicle, we do have a spot to charge your phone. We have heated and cooling seats on both sides. Your brand new Chevy MyLink radio, front collision alert, a heated steering wheel, your cruise control, and your standard push to talk. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.